Welcome to a super quick tutorial on how to adjust window heights in The Sims 4. Basically, when you want to move windows up and down, you can put them exactly where they slot to just by clicking them and dragging them. Or you can hold the Alt key so you can slowly move them up and down exactly where you want to go. And now I can't believe I didn't know this, but I should have known. If you click on the window and you hold the 9 key, or I have to hold Control 9 to move items up and down, you can hit the 9 key, or if you have camera position set, you have to hold Control 9. So you can actually do that to move it up and down. And it's not as freely moving as using the Alt key, but it's a nice way to remember. So for example, if I wanted all of my windows to line up at the top of that little panel where the line is, I would know to hit 9 one time, and then when I do my other windows, I can also hit 9 one time exactly, and they will be perfectly lined up instead of trying to use the Alt key and maybe one ends up like this and one ends up like this, and they're not exactly entirely perfectly symmetrical. So there you go. Control 9 works on Windows as well.